Hello everyone, it's Luna from Perfect Homes, and today I'm at the Astra Condo and I'll be showing you this gorgeous 2 bedrooms and 2 bathroom condo. The total space is 58 square meters. Come on in. Once you have this first bathroom right here with the toilet, the sink and the mirror. And right next to the bathroom is the kitchen. Right here you have the stove, an induction fan, the sink, the laundry, the fridge, and here is the dining area. Right here is the living room, mostly furnished. You can add other decorations and furniture if you like. And now let me show you the first bedroom. The first bedroom, once you walk in, you have this big bed, the closet. Wow, and look at the view. Very, very beautiful. And right here is the bathroom, which is connected to the other bedroom. Come on. The bathroom here is, wow, look at that. So gorgeous. Here's a big mirror. You have the bathtub. And like I said, it is connected to the other bedroom right here with big bed and then the closet. And we're done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or if you would like to get more information, please leave us a comment or click at the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!